Hello, future OET nurse champion. Are you preparing for the reading test, especially Part C? If so, here's your ultimate guide to mastering it with clarity and confidence. Let's walk you through what Part C demands and how you, as a nurse, can ace it with the right strategy and mindset. What is OET Reading Part C all about? This part tests your ability to read and understand two long texts, 800 words each, which are often taken from journal articles, healthcare reviews, or research summaries. Topics cover a broad range of health interests like patient experiences, professional opinions, new medical technologies, and scientific research. You'll answer 16 multiple-choice questions, 8 per text, and yes, they come in the order of the text. But this section isn't just about reading quickly, it's about reading smart. Format at a glance, 2 texts, 800 words each, 8 multiple-choice questions per text, AD. Total of 45 minutes for both parts B and C. Key skills you need. To shine in this part of the test, you'll need to understand explicit and implicit meaning, spot the main ideas and detailed information, recognize the writer's attitude or opinions, grasp the function of reference words, like it, this, they, understand vocabulary and context. This section really tests your depth of comprehension and ability to connect ideas across sentences and paragraphs. Why this matters for nurses. As a nurse, you constantly deal with evolving healthcare practices. Reading Part C mimics real-life professional reading. Whether it's understanding new research on infection control or interpreting a peer-reviewed article on nursing interventions, mastering this part helps sharpen your analytical thinking, which benefits both your test and your clinical practice. Grammar and language awareness. To succeed, it's essential to get comfortable with complex grammatical structures like passive voice, for example, was administered, has been noted. Modal verbs showing possibility or obligation, for example, might suggest, could indicate, should be monitored. Relative clauses, for example, the patient who was admitted last night showed improvement. Discourse markers and connectors, for example, however, moreover, as a result, in contrast. Inferred meaning, understanding what is implied, not just what is said. Learning how these grammar elements work in professional writing will help you decode complex ideas more efficiently. Top 4 tips for success. Read with purpose. Don't read everything. Begin with the question, then read the relevant section. Read all options carefully. Avoid picking an answer just because it shares words with the text. Don't rush. Skimming won't work here. Read deeply to understand the full meaning. Manage your time. Aim to spend no more than 2 minutes per question. If unsure, take a guess and return later. Preparation advice. Practice reading long-form healthcare articles from reputable journals. Work on building your vocabulary, especially medical, scientific, and academic language. Try reading aloud or paraphrasing what you read. It boosts comprehension. Take regular timed practice tests to build reading stamina. Read with enthusiasm. Your focus improves when you're mentally engaged. Bonus for all healthcare professionals. If you're a doctor, physiotherapist, dentist, or other allied health professional, this guide equally applies to you. The texts in Part C are designed to reflect interdisciplinary healthcare developments, and understanding these ideas is vital no matter your specialty. This isn't just test prep, it's professional enrichment. Want regular practice materials or personalized feedback? Message me OET Reading Help, and I'll send you practice sets, vocabulary lists, and tips that suit your profession. Let's make this test a stepping stone in your career, not a barrier. Your success story starts here.